Good morning students, welcome back to Information Technology Advanced Web Designing Lectures 11. In these lectures you will learn how to create nested list and multi-level list. So let's begin. When the list is created within another list by using order list or unordered list is called nested list. In the previous lectures, you have seen how to create order list and unordered list by using OL tag and UL tag. To create order list, we use OL tag, and to create unordered list, we use UL tag. Let's see how to create nested list. First, open the notepad and start typing the basic tag. The tag which is required to create HTML program. You have to type all the basics type. For example, doc type HTML, HTML head, then give the title example of HTML nested list and close the title tag. Then close head tag, then start with the body tag and give the title to your web page HTML nested list by using h3 tag. By using OL tag, you can create a order list. Once again, we'll see how to create a order list. Now I'll show you how to create order list. OL tag you have to use. In the OL tag, you have to use li tag and the name of the item which you are going to create. For example, I am going to create here writing apple, APPLE. Then close the li tag. Now save this and see the output in the browser. So this is the browser. Refresh it here and you will get the order list. By default, order list display with the decimal number. Create one more list item and check it, give the another name. Save this and refresh the browser and check. You will get two names here, first apple and second mango. This is called as the order list. You already learned that how to create order list. Now suppose you want to create unordered list, then you have to use UL tag with the style list style type circle, means the list will be displayed in the circle. Here also you have to use the li tag and name of the item. So we are going to write the name of the item, pineapple, and close the li tag. It is not necessary to close, but it is good practice to close the li tag. So copy this and create one more. Okay, so now here two fruits names are given. Now here and then close the UL tag. Now save this and refresh your browser. You will get like this output, pineapple, apple. Okay, suppose you want to create one more item list by using li tag. You can create this way. Now I am writing over here JavaScript and closing the li tag. Once you close the li tag, save the program and run in browser. You will get a JavaScript. So 1, 2 and 3, this is order list and this one is unordered list. When you create any list by using order and unordered list within a list, that is called as a nested list. That's why it is called as a nested list. So I have created first list by using OL tag and second list I have created by using UL tag, and I have given the type circle, and this list is created by using circle type, and again I use the li tag to create a order list. So within order list there is a unordered list, that's why it is called as a nested list. When you create any atom in another list, so that becomes your nested list. I hope you understood this program. Let's see an example of how to create multi-level list. What is multi-level list? When you creating the list in an existing list, it is called as a multi-level list. So more than one list are there in your existing list, so that become a multi-level list. Let's start creating multi-level list. First, open the notepad as well as the browser on your computer and arrange both the applications side by side. So like this how I arrange notepad one side and the browser another side. So it will help you to see the output fast. Okay. So start with the basic tag. Doc type HTML, head, title, give the title nested list or the multi-level list. Then close the head tag, then body tag. In the body tag you have to give again title to your program, that multi-level list, nested list, and then start creating. So I will start creating the multi-level list by using unordered list, means UL tag. So start with the UL tag. In the UL tag, you know, we are using li tag to create a list atom. Daily computing. And then close the li tag. Save the program and see the output in the browser. You have to refresh this browser or reload. So you will get the output first. Unordered list, daily computing. Create one more list atom and give another name, web designing. Save this and refresh the browser. You will get one more atom list. Okay, here we have created the unordered list. Now we'll create a order list by using OL tag. The OL also require the li tag to create a list atom. So create a list atom, use li tag and type the name of the atom. Here I am typing HTML hyperlink inserting image. Save this program and refresh the browser and see the output. Okay, here you will get a order list because it is created by using OL tag. So it display the number, decimal number 1, 2, 3. So here unordered list is over, order list is over. Now we'll create one more unordered list, but we are going to change the type of unordered list by using the style. So style list, style type circle. We'll use the type circle to create unordered list. Okay, so unordered list also require the li tag. So use the li tag and type conditional structure. And close the li tag. Save the program and see the output. So here you got the output with the circle. We'll create one more unordered list by using type square. So here again I am using the li tag but here you will get the output with the square. Conditional structure. Save the program and reload the browser. So you will get a conditional structure over here. If you want to create one more list, you can copy and paste it down and write the name of the atom. For example, if statement. Copy once again and paste it down and write another atom list. If else statement. Save it, refresh the browser and check the output. So you will get like this unordered list with the square tag. Here Dix order list 1 2 3. Here type is change of the unordered list and become a square circle, and here square. Then suppose you want to create one more list. Before that you have to close the UL tag and then again start with li tag and write the name of atom. I am writing JavaScript. Close the li tag. Save the program and check the output. See, the JavaScript is displayed over here. So this is called multi-level list. In this list you can see there are many lists. First is unordered list, then ordered list, unordered list with the circle type, unordered list with the square type, and again unordered list with the circle type. So that's why it is called as the multi-level list. Then you have to close the body tag and close the HTML tag, save the program and refresh the browser. So this way you will get a output. I hope you understood this multi-level list program, how to create in HTML5.